Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add custom fields to products on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing you need to do here is you need to access your Shopify store's admin page. Now in this case, whenever you go to products here, as you can see, whenever we click on the specific product that we want to see, for example, I want to have this t-shirt here. So let's go ahead and open that up. And whenever you scroll down here, sometimes the fields that you have here might not be enough for you, which is something really unfortunate, especially if you want to add like specific fields or specific tags just to keep track on that product. Well, in this case, adding those fields are actually pretty easy. Now we have meta fields here that you could actually add, but you might be wondering, how do you add that? Is that really complicated? Well, it's actually pretty easy. So at the lower left here, click on settings. And what we need to do next is we need to go to the section that says custom data. Now under custom data, we need to choose the products option here since we want to add a field in the product section. Now from here, you just need to click on the add definition at the top right here, and you just need to add the name of the specific field that you want to use. So for example, maybe I want to say I want to add a product type field here. So this is just an example. You can add whatever here. So in this case, we need to add a descriptor here. So in this case, we want to say, let's just say test product type here. Let's just type that in. And from here, you need to select what type it is. In this case, there are going to be a lot of types here. You could read further what are the different types here into Shopify's help page. But in this case, single line is going to be single line text. Multi-line text is going to be like a description. Integer is going to be a number without any decimal points. Decimal are numbers that has decimal points in it. A product is a from the list of products that is available. A file is a file, date and time, and date here. So there's going to be a lot of different types here that you could use, but in this case, I'll be using single line text. Now from here, you could choose either one value or list of values. So I'm going to use one value here. And if you want to add validations like minimum character count, maximum character count, and regular expressions, if you want to add those. So let's go ahead and click on save. Now once you've saved that, once we click on X at the top right and reload the product that we are viewing, so when we go to the section for meta fields, we now have a product type. So for example, I want to say this is going to be a shirt. So just to indicate that, you just type it in, and here just click on save, and that would actually add the meta field and the information that we need for that specific product. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.